WESTCOM. Now, WESTCOM is a West Coast credit union. Okay. Now you can join in with $5. They pull Experian, right? But the thing about it with them, they also offer, look, 100,000 up to 72 months. I wish they did it like CWS and give you 300 months, but hey, 72 months still ain't bad, right? So, that's what, 8 years? No, excuse me. There I go doing math. I'll just leave it alone, right? 6 years, right? But at the same time, like I said, they give you the loan, and then you can also apply for that credit card at the same time. All right. So that's the reason why I like them, because they're really flexible. Anybody can join. Like I said, usually a West Coast.